Everywhere you look online, people are talking about her Loss, the so-called viral perfume of 2026. TikTok calls it seductive, reviewers claim it's addictive, and the marketing, pure luxury. But behind every viral fragrance, there's always a question. Is her Loss truly worth the hype, or just another overpriced scent hiding behind trendy packaging and influencer buzz? I've been reviewing perfumes and fragrances for years, from niche indie brands to major luxury houses like Dior, Le Labo, and Maison Margiela. I pay close attention to the three things that define any perfume: scent profile, longevity, and value for money. So when her Loss started dominating social media with claims of irresistible attraction and 8-hour wear, I bought a bottle directly from the official store, tested it for several weeks in real-world conditions, and compared it to popular scents it's supposedly competing with. The marketing behind her Loss focuses on three key claims: long-lasting luxury. They say it lasts over 8 hours with one spray magnetic, confidence-boosting scent, designed to make you stand out anywhere. Clean ingredients and cruelty-free, aligning with modern, conscious consumers. Sounds perfect, but fragrance is a deeply personal experience. So does her Loss actually deliver? Scent. Profile. Upon the first spray, her Loss opens with a burst of sweet vanilla and amber mixed with warm musk and subtle floral undertones. It's clearly inspired by modern sensual perfumes like YSL Black Opium and Carolina Herrera Good Girl, sweet, warm, and crowd-pleasing. The dry down reveals a creamy, cozy note that's pleasant but not particularly unique. If you're looking for originality, you might find it familiar rather than revolutionary. Longevity and performance. On paper, her Loss promises 8 hours of wear. In practice, it lasts about 5 to 6 hours on skin and longer on clothes. It projects well during the first 2 hours, leaving a noticeable trail, then fades into a softer skin scent. For a mid-range perfume, that's decent. Not elite-tier longevity, but not disappointing either. Packaging and presentation. The packaging plays a big role in her Loss's appeal. The matte bottle, minimalist design, and embossed gold lettering scream high-end luxury. It feels expensive even if the ingredients lean towards synthetic blends. The unboxing experience clearly aims to impress the social media crowd, and it works. Ingredients and ethics. The brand promotes a cruelty-free, vegan-friendly formula with no parabens or sulfates, which aligns with the growing clean beauty trend. However, there's limited transparency about exact ingredient sourcing, which makes it hard to verify how natural it really is. Price and value. The biggest debate. Her Loss sits in the 90 to $120 range for 50 ml, similar to designer perfumes from YSL or Dior. The scent quality is solid, but it doesn't break new ground. You're mostly paying for presentation, branding, and trend appeal rather than innovation. Public perception. Online reviews are mixed. Fans love the warm, inviting scent and how it boosts confidence. Critics say it's overhyped. Good, but not groundbreaking. A few even suspect it's a white-labeled fragrance, a common tactic where a generic scent is rebranded and sold for a premium. Nothing in its performance suggests a scam, but it definitely thrives on strong marketing. So, is her Loss a scam or not? No, it's not a scam. It's a real, well-formulated perfume with good quality, solid projection, and premium packaging. But is it worth the hype or price tag? That depends on your expectations. If you're drawn to sweet, warm, confident scents and want something trendy that looks great on your vanity, her Loss delivers exactly that. It's an enjoyable fragrance experience that feels modern and polished. However, if you're expecting something artistic, complex, or groundbreaking, you'll likely find it safe and predictable. It's less of a revolution and more of a stylish remix of proven crowd pleasers. In short, her Loss isn't a scam. It's a smartly marketed, crowd-pleasing perfume that succeeds because it knows exactly what its audience wants. A solid buy if you love its vibe, but not a must-have for perfume collectors chasing uniqueness.